I achieved 908.5 of my goal with just this simple method. Stay with me because in this video I clearly and precisely walk you through the 4 steps of this method. When you make a goal, it should be like putting the exact location in Google Maps, not just saying somewhere over there. Your goal must be so clear that if someone wakes you up at night, you can say in 30 seconds what you want and when you want it. If you say, I want to be successful, your brain says, okay, but if you say, in 3 months, I want to lose 5 kilos and run 5 kilometers, your brain knows it must start today. Your goal should make you feel a little scared and a little excited. If you feel nothing, it is too safe or only a dream. Ask yourself, if I had no limit, what exactly would I want? Then ask, what am I ready to give up to get it? This second question shows if your goal is real or just a nice fantasy. Your goal must be measurable because the brain doesn't like unclear things. You need numbers and a time limit. The clearer your goal is, the fewer excuses you will have. Because you cannot lie to yourself when you see the numbers and the date. And remember, if your goal doesn't push you out of your comfort zone, it is more like a hobby than a goal. So make it bigger or forget it. When you make a strong promise, you must make it hard to quit, not only in your mind, but in real life. If you fail, you should lose something that really hurts you, not a small punishment that you don't care about. It can be money, your good name, or your pride. Anything you don't want to lose. Put this at risk before you start. Tell someone you trust and make sure they will not let you break the promise. When your reputation is on the line, your brain will not look for excuses. It will only look for ways to move forward. A strong promise is like a rope that closes the way back. So, you can only go ahead. If you only write your goal in a notebook, no one knows, and it is easy to stop. But if you tell people and make a real condition, quitting means telling everyone you failed. You don't like that feeling, so you fight. Our brain fears losing more than it likes winning. So use this fear for yourself. The bigger the cost of quitting, the bigger the chance you will reach your goal. If you think, I can do it without this, don't lie to yourself. Without real pressure, we all stop at some point. So make the pressure yourself before life makes it for you. If you really want to make progress, you need a tracking system that does not let you lie to yourself. Not a nice notebook you're writing for 2 days and then forget, but something you see every day that makes you face the truth. Every step you take or do not take must be recorded, even if it was bad. When there is clarity, you cannot tell yourself, yes, I did well, when the numbers show you did not. The system should be simple but strict, like a mirror that shows your face every day, no matter what. You can use an app or even a whiteboard to check every day. The important thing is that no day passes without recording. It is even better to show this report to someone else, because when you know someone is waiting to see your progress, your brain makes fewer excuses. This clarity is like a flashlight that shows all the dark corners and laziness. If you think, I know what I am doing, I say no. Your brain is very good at forgetting failures and making a small wins look big. So, you must have proof every day without stopping. This way, when you look back, you see the real story, not the edited version your mind wants to tell. The biggest mistake is to think you must do everything from the first day. No, You should be like a drop of water that falls every day and slowly make a hole in the stone. Do not ignore small steps, because when they come together, they make big results. Your brain loves small wins. Every time you finish a small task, you get a little shot of dopamine, and this gives you energy to continue. If you try to move a mountain from the start, you will get tired after 2 days and stop. But if you take only a little soil every day, one day you will see half the mountain is gone. These small steps should be so easy that you can do them even on your worst day, because staying constant is more important than working very hard for a short time. Every day you do them, you prove to yourself that you can, and this grows your confidence like a snowball. Most people start to big or stop when they don't see first results. Real progress is like hair growing. You don't see it every day, but after some months everyone can see it. So instead of looking for a big explosion, look for small sparks that never go out. Keep these sparks alive every day, even when you don't feel like it, because the days you don't feel like it are the days your character is built.